Italians eat pasta when they don't feel like cooking. Americans might go for a mac and cheese sandwich. But all of these take too long. Korean food is faster. These 4 types of Korean fried rice are healthy fast food that you can make in just 5 minutes, no matter how busy you are or how little you want to cook. They're packed with nutrients, easy to make, and truly delicious, so they'll change your busy life. First, let's start with the most basic style. Chop 100 grams of onion into small pieces. Slice 60 grams of green onion thinly as well. Beat 1 egg well. Mix it thoroughly so that the egg white and yolk are completely combined. Now add enough oil to the pan and saute the onion and green onion first. Once the aroma of the vegetables cooked in oil comes up, pour in the egg you prepared earlier. Quickly stir fry to make scrambled eggs, and once the eggs are fully cooked, add 200 grams of white rice. At this point, it's best if the rice is not hot but cool. Mix the ingredients and rice thoroughly, then season with 10 milliliters of oyster sauce, 5 grams of salt, and some pepper. Just stir fry for 1 more minute in this state and you're done. How is it? It's so simple, right? This fried rice is a completely basic style, but it's not overpowering and has enough umami to make you keep coming back for more. It's a magical fried rice. If you're tired of the basic style, just adding this one thing will completely change it, and that is spam. About 50 grams of spam is enough. Cut it into small pieces and add it in when you stir fry the onion and green onion. After that, everything is the same. Add the egg and quickly scramble it. Then add 200 grams of rice. Just like the basic style, add 10 milliliters of oyster sauce, 5 grams of salt, and finish with some pepper. Of course, the cooking time doesn't change. Just by adding spam, the appearance is instantly upgraded. Thanks to the rich and savory flavor from the spam, the taste of the fried rice has become much deeper and richer. Of course, since we added ham, the umami flavor has definitely been upgraded. Once you take a bite of this, you won't be able to stop until it's all gone. Excuse me? Do you have kimchi? Next up is kimchi fried rice, the dish Koreans love the most. On top of that, we're going to add pork belly, which is also a favorite meat among Koreans. First, add just a little oil to the pan and grill 150 grams of pork belly. You shouldn't just cook it until it's done. You need to get a full Maillard reaction to create that brown color. Although it's not commonly eaten abroad, pork belly is the most beloved meat among Koreans. And you know, right? In Korea, we use scissors to cut pork belly. Add 180 grams of kimchi here and grill it well in the pork belly fat. Anyone who has been to Korea will know. The aroma of kimchi grilled in pork belly fat is truly irresistible. When the pork belly and kimchi are well mixed and their colors are almost the same, add 1 spoonful of soy sauce and 1 spoonful of oyster sauce. Add 200 grams of rice and mix well, then add some kimchi sauce to season it. Stir fry until almost all the moisture is gone and it's done. Even before eating, the delicious smell of kimchi grilled in pork belly fat is so good, it's impossible to resist. The savory flavor of pork fat mixed with the spicy and tangy richness of kimchi creates an incredible umami taste. Even though it's a simple dish that doesn't require even a single knife, I guarantee it will taste richer than any other fried rice. What, even this feels like too much work? With this cup ramen, you can make fried rice in just 3 minutes. This is a fun dish that's been trending recently on Korean social media. Take out the noodles from the cup ramen and crush them into small pieces. Put them back into the cup, add the seasoning powder, and then pour in only half the usual amount of water. We're not going to cook them all the way, just enough to soften them a bit. Quickly scramble 1 egg in a pan, and then add about 150 grams of rice here. Finally, pour in the cup ramen and stir fry everything together, mixing well until all the moisture is gone. Now put this back into the cup noodle container, then flip it onto a plate like this, and you'll have cup ramen fried rice that looks just like one of Korea's stone pagodas. This isn't really a formal dish, it's more of a fun trend that became popular on social media. This is my first time making it too, so I'm curious about the taste. I break the egg and try it together with the fried rice. It's an interesting flavor. It doesn't feel like ramen at all. It's definitely fried rice, but it tastes just like ramen. I can see why this became a trend. If you like ramen, you'll definitely like this too.